Hi there. This video will show you everything you need to know about insulating your flanges. We will go over the measuring procedure, picking the right product for your project, and finally how to properly install the insulation. Our flagship product, the original insulation snake, is a one-size-fits-all insulation wrap that can easily be wrapped over flanges or any other obstacle that you might encounter, including corners, junctions, or valves. However, if you need something more specific to flanges, we also offer a dedicated flange insulation called the snakebite. For selecting the right flange insulation, all you need to know is the ANSI rating of the flange, or alternatively, you can measure the circumference and width of the flange. Now we'll take you over to our new quote requesting platform, QuotePro by Insulation Snakes, and we'll show you how to add this product to your basket. On QuotePro, navigate to the snakebite page. If you know the flange's ANSI rating, click here to view the size reference chart. Select the desired width from the drop-down menu, and then use the circumference to select the product's length. Now, select the quantity and product grade. To learn more about the difference between the standard and premium products, click the information icons. Alternatively, you can choose a specific part number if you already know what SKU you need. And now, on to the installation procedure. If you added notes to your basket on QuotePro, you can refer to those notes here as a reminder of where each product needs to go. To install the snakebite, simply wrap the insulation around the flange and fasten down the integrated snake straps. It is important that you don't over-tighten the snakes with snake straps or other fasteners, as overly compressing the insulation will reduce the R value. And make sure that you don't cut the snakes, as they will no longer be weatherproof. Now you know everything you need to properly protect your flanges from the cold. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using insulation snakes.